In this tutorial, I will show you what preparation you need to do before using this tool. 4 sections need to be first prepared after you receive Aden B52 Inventory Management Tool, Operating Month, Basic Information, Product List, and Parameter Management. I will explain the first 3 sections in this video and the last section, Parameter Management, in another separate video for your understanding. Let's open this tool. As you can see, when you first open it, a window for selecting your operating month will automatically pop up. You can continue other operations only after entering your selection. After selecting the operating month, it will automatically jump to the basic information page. If you are familiar with the old B52, you can find the basic information page look a lot like the past menu sheet. We just add some fields like business unit, cost center, client name, address, longitude and latitude here. There are some rules I want to mention for your entry. First, the format of business unit should be like uppercase ASI, a dash, and 3 capital letter abbreviation of your country name. And the entry of cost center should be the cost center code used in the finance system, same to the client name. You should confirm with your finance officer for the filling. Address is a new field we add to use for data map. But if it's hard for you to define the address of your site, you can enter the longitude and latitude instead. Anyway, just choose at least one to input. When you fail to fulfill the filling requirement, the system will refuse to return to the homepage. Please follow the system prompt to complete this filling, and there are also some comments to help you complete it, and the filling of basic information is kind of a one-time task, since you don't need to fill in it again until there is some change in your site. After you finish filling in the basic information, click back to return to the homepage. The next step is to prepare the product list. Since the product list is independently managed by the office now, you can only import the product list file sent by your office, with no permission to modify any content in it. Click Import button, choose the product list file you want to import, and click Open to import it. You just need to wait a few seconds for the updating process. Notice that there is distinction between purchase unit and consume unit, which is for scenarios that purchase in package but consume in bulk or vice versa. Let me use an example to explain this change for you. Let's say we want to check the price of mineral water in the product list. First, we should find it in the preview box, which can be done by using the quick query function. Any field showed in the preview box at the bottom can be used as a search keyword. Let's input mineral water in the text box. The preview box will change associated with the input. You can find there are 2 records of mineral water. It means mineral water is offered by 2 suppliers. Let's select one of them. You will find its information also appears in those input box above. We can see the purchase unit now is box and consume unit is bottle, with the conversion of unit 1 box contains 24 bottles, which means purchasing by box but selling out by bottle. And the unit cost here represents that the purchase price of 1 box of mineral water is $24, which will be used in warehouse in transaction. When you made warehouse out or sales transaction, the unit and unit cost will auto-transfer to $1 per bottle. What if we want to check the product list by supplier? You can activate the View by Supplier function by checking the checkbox, and select which supplier you want to see. Click Close will allow you to exit this window.